kurikira ikiganiro isi n'abantu umenye inkuru z'amateka, amateka y'ubuzima bwa bamwe mu byamamare n'abanyabigwi, imibereho by'abangaba, ibikorwa, imyitwarire n'imirimo yagize ikindura ku isura y'amateka. Isi n'abantu. Kanye West yari umuryango woroheje w'umujyi wa Chicago, harirwa na mama wize amashuri menshi witwaga Donda West. Yumvaga ibintu byo guhanga udushya, ubusizi n'ihimba mwandiko. Akiri muto yatangiye kurapa kuva afite imyaka 7, maze bidatinda aza kubwira nyina ko ashaka gukora indirimbo kandi akomeje. Agejeje ku myaka 20 yahisemo kuva mu mashuri atangira umuziki nk'umwuga. Mama we yamufashije mu ruko kwamamara kwe. Yatangiye nka producer igihe gito kugeza ubwo yahuraga na Jay-Z hamukora The Blueprint. Kuva ubwo Kanye West yatangiye kumenyekana, maze akorana n'abantu bafite impano nka Ludacris, Janet Jackson, Alicia Keys n'abandi. Ariko icyo gihe Kanye West icyo yashakaga cyane kwari kuba umuraperi, n'ibyahise bikunda kugera mu 2002 ubwo yahabwaga amahirwe yo gukora album ye wenyine. Guhera ubwo nta kureba inyuma ko ari guhari kuri Kanye West, kuva ubwo yatangiye guhereza uruganda rw'imyidagaduro indirimbo nziza zo mu njyana hip hop nka The College Dropout, Late Registration, Graduation, My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy n'izindi. Umuziki we wahoraga uvugwa neza, wishimiwe kubera udushya n'ibyemezo Kanye West yafataga ku dushya twawo, ahora mu makuru kubera ibihembo byinshi yatwaye. Ibintu byose abikoze ate? Urakaza neza mu kiganiro isi n'abantu. Nushima ibyo dukora ntugenda washije agaciro imirimo y'amaboko yacu kandi subscribe, unabisangiza abandi, wandika nifuza ko twazakubwiraho ubutaha. Ukwifuriza ubuzima buzima, ndisaka HB. You when I'm messing with Kyle, man, the twist on the shot and I be sipping Hennessy, cause I'm a R&B, I smoke a beat, you can't fuck with me, put it on the G, and now Kanye West yarezwe mu buryo bucishije make, bari mu cyiciro cy'abitwa middle class. Yize mu kigo cya The Polaris High School muri Chicago, yaje guhindura ajya mu kigo cya Nanjing mu Bushinwa hafite imyaka 10, ubwo nyine nawe yajyaga kwigisha muri Nanjing University. Kanye West yari umunyadushya kuva akiri umwana, yanditse igisigo cye cya mbere afite imyaka 5, hanatangira kurapa ku myaka 5, maze atangira gukora umuziki neza ubwo yarageze mu wa 7. Kanye West yatangiye kwinjira byimbitse muri hip hop mu mashusho agejeje imyaka 17. Yanditse indirimbo ya hip hop yitwa Green Eggs and Ham. Yumvishije mama we kumuha amafaranga kugira ngo atangire kurikodinga muri studio. Nubwo bitari byo mama yamushakiraga, yatangiye kujya muherekeza muri studio y'akazu kari kubatse mu kibuga gito ya muri uwo mujyi bari barimo. Aho niho Kanye West yahuriye n'uyitaga The Godfather of Chicago Hip Hop, No ID. Vubaho yaje kuba umwigisha wa Kanye West. Mu 1997 Kanye West yahawe scholarship ya American Academy of Art muri Chicago, maze ayifata agiye kwiga Art of Painting. Nyuma za guhindura ajya muri Chicago State University gutangira muri English Literature. Agejeje imyaka 20 yafashe umwanzuro kuva mu ishuri ashaka kugira ngo abone ko atangira gukurikiza inzozi ze zo kuba umuraperi. Ibihe byose ibintu byababaje mama we cyane. Kuva muri za 90 hagati kugeza mu 2000 Kanye West yari mu mishinga ya production y'umuziki by'igihe gitariko. Yakoze umuziki akorera abahanzi ba hafi aho, yari na producer utazwi utagaragara. Kanye West yabonye amahirwe yari ategereje cyane mu 2000 ubwo yaga producer w'abahanzi muri Rockefeller Records. Yakoze indirimbo z'abahanzi b'ibyamamare nka Common, Ludacris, Cameron n'abandi. Byari muri 2001 ubwo umuraperi uzwi ku isi hakana mu mukire ndetse avuga rikijyana Jay-Z yasabye Kanye West kumukorera indirimbo nyinshi zo muri album ye yari iye hit The Blueprint. Muri iki gihe yakomeje gukora indirimbo z'abaririmbyi n'abaraperi nka Alicia Keys, Janet Jackson n'abandi. Byakurikiye nuko yabaye producer ushoboye kandi uzwi, nyamara ikivuza cyari ko umuraperi byamubereye ihurizo rikomeye ndetse n'imbogamizi kugira ngo yemererwe kuba umuraperi ndetse no kubona deal ya record. Mu 2002 Kanye West yabonye ahamenera muri kariyeri ye y'umuziki. Yakoze impanuka ari kuva mu ihuriro rya record muri LA ubwo yari mu bitaro. Yanditse indirimbo yise Float the Wire yaje gukorwa na Rockefeller Records, ikanabishe cya album ye ya mbere yise Death cyangwa se urupfu.
What's the new video?
It's yours. It's Kanye West's video. Okay. Can I get some change?
Yo, Chief, they can't stop me from rapping, can they? Can they, huh? I've been trying to be signed, trying to be a millionaire. How I used 2 lifelines in the same hospital with Biggie Smalls died. The doctor said I had blood clots, but
mu 2004 Kanye West yazamukanye album ye ya kabiri yise The College Dropout. Yahise yamamara ako kanya ku bakunzi ba muzika, yagurishijwemo kopi zisaga miliyoni 4,400 mu cyumweru cyawo cya mbere. Iyi album yari ifite imwe mu ndirimbo igize yitwa Slow Jams. Yaririmbanye na Twister na Jamie Foxx, yatowe nka album ya mbere y'umwaka n'ibisakaza muziki bibiri.
I need you to do it faster, baby. Can you please do it faster, baby? Do it faster.
Damn, baby, I can't do it that fast, but I know somebody who can.
I got you looking at the glance on my hands and wrists while I'm laying back and smoking on my cannabis. When it come to rocking the rhythm like Marvin and Luther, I can tell you when I'm messing with Kanye and twist. When I shot and I be sipping Hennessy, cause I'm a beat, I smoke a beat, you can't fuck with me, put it on the beat. And now
Indi ndirimbo yo muri album yitwa Jesus Rocks yerekanye neza amarangamutima ya Kanye West ku myizerere ye n'ubukristo. Mu 2005 Kanye West yagiranye ubufatanye n'uwari uwa mbere mu manota ya filimi muri Amerika, John Bryan, wari warabaye umuproducer uyoboye abandi. Yakoze indirimbo nyinshi za album The College Dropout. Bemeranya kazakora no kuri album nshya ya Kanye West yise Right Registration. Yishyuye amafaranga yarakuye muri album ye ya kabiri, yagurishijwemo kopi miliyari 2 na miliyoni 300 muri Amerika gusa. Muri uwo mwaka Kanye West yatangaje ko azasohora Pastel Clothing Line mu 2006, ariko iza gukurwaho mu 2009.
and when I come over and bend your ass, you be bumping to the pentagram. I done hit it from the back to the melody and roll it slow. Now I gotta go up in the fast, but I'm
mu 2007 Kanye West yasohoye album ye ya gatatu yise Graduation. Yayisohoye rimwe na 50 Cent kuye yise Curtis, ariko Graduation ya Kanye West yagurishijwe cyane kurusha ya 50 Cent, yirusha inyungu nyinshi cyane. Nabona umwanya wa mbere kuri Billboard ya 200 ya Amerika. Yagurishijwemo kopi zisaga miliyoni 9,500 mu cyumweru cyawo cya mbere. Indirimbo yitwa Stronger niyo yamamaye cyane muzari kuri iyi album ya Kanye West yose. Mu 2008 Kanye West yarongeye asohora indi album ibi ya kane yise 908 Hand Heartbreak, na album yabaye ya mbere kuri Billboard yose maze igurishwa kopi miliyoni 4,500 mu cyumweru cyawo cya mbere. Kanye West yavuze ko iyi album yari ishingiye kuko yiyumvaga ababyeyi bamaze gutandukana. Bivuga ko iyi album yateye imbaraga umuziki wa hip hop n'abandi baraperi mu gufata ibyemezo bitandukanye kuri production zabo. Muri uwo mwaka kandi Kanye West yatangaje ko agiye gufungura resitora 10 muri za Fatbag muri Chicago, iya mbere yafunguwe muri Orlando Park mu 2008. Mu 2009 yafatanije na Nike bamukorera inkweto ze bwite yise Air Easy, maze asohora indi version yazo mu 2012. Muri uwo mwaka yasohoye ubundi bwoko bw'inkweto za Louis Vuitton, azisohora muri Paris Fashion Week. Kanye West yanakoze inkweto za Bape na Giuseppe Zanotti. Mu 2010 album ya gatanu ya Kanye West My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy yarasohotse ibi ya mbere ku Billboard mu byumweru byayo bya mbere. Yiswe igikorwa cy'inzobere n'abavugwa ko indirimbo zimeze Music Critics, yakunzwe gukoreshwa mu biro byinshi ku isi mu ndirimbo nka All of the Lights, Power, Monster, Runaway n'izindi. Iyi album yaragurishijwe kugeza kuri miliyoni 2 z'amakopi. Mu 2013 Kanye West yasohoye album ya gatatu Uses. Iyi kuyikora ntabwo byanyuze mu buryo bw'ubucuruzi, kuko yavuze ko yashaka gufasha impano nka Chicago Drill, Dancehall, House House na Industrial Music. Mu gihe yakoraga album yasohotse mu kwezi kwa gatandatu, inabona rave views muri Music Critics. Ku itariki ya 14 Gashyantare mu 2016 Kanye West yasohoye album ye ya karindwi yise The Life of Pablo. Yasohoye album ya 8 ku itariki ya 2 Kamena mu 2018, ariko muri uwo mwaka muri Kamena yasohoye indirimbo itari iri kuri album ye yise Exactly. Mu kwa mbere mu 2019 Kanye West ubucuranzi bwa groupe cyangwa se bande bwa buri cyumweru ku munsi wo ku cyumweru hari harimo indirimbo za Kanye West nyinshi n'izabandi bahanzi.
I remember it was Beanie Sigel's birthday, and I came and I played a bunch of like soul beats. Like we have soul beats here and there, but I had a bunch that I was building up, like just like from the success of Can't Be Life. I was like, I need to make some more stuff in this vein right here. So I'm playing Beanie some beats, and he get the smile. Yeah, it's hot. You know what I'm saying? But he had to go somewhere. I don't know. He was going somewhere for his birthday. So then Hove came in. I remember he had a Gucci hat on, like the fisherman joint. And hip hop, my manager, who definitely saved my life, was like, "Yo, play that one beat for Hove." And it came on. Dun, dun, dun. But I know somebody who can. I got you
Put another glance on my hands and wrists while I'm laying back and smoking on my cannabis. When it come to rockin'
kubera album ye yise The College Dropout, Kanye West yafashe Grammy nomination 10 harimo album y'umwaka na Best Rap Album. Yatsindiye Grammy yo ku cyiciro cya Best Rap Album. Album ye yahawe certificate yo kuba yaragurishije kopi nyinshi cyane inshuro zirenga 3 cyitwa Triple Platinum muri Amerika. Mu kwa 11 mu 2007 mama wa Kanye West, Donda West, yapfuye azize indwara y'umutima kiva muri plastic surgery. Icyo gihe afite imyaka 58. Ibi byasize Kanye West mu kajagari kuko yari inshuti ya nyina cyane ko yari yaranditse agatabo mbere yuko apfa kitwa Rising Kanye Life Lesson from the Mother of Hip Hop Superstar, kurera Kanye, amasomo ava kuri mama w'umustar wa hip hop. Kanye West mu mubano wo kutizera na designer Alex FIFA mu myaka ine mbere yuko bemeranya kuzabana muri Kana mu 2006. Ibyo byamaze 18 gusa mbere yuko barayikana mu 2008. Yagiranye umubano na Amber Rose wari umumodo mu 2008 kugeza mu 2010. Muri Mata mu 2012 Kanye West yatangiye guteretana na Kim Kardashian. Bambikanye impeta tariki ya 24 Gicurasi mu 2013 muri Fort de Belvedere muri Florence mu Butaliyani. Kanye West na Kim Kardashian bafite abana bane, umukobwa North West wavutse Kamina mu 2013 na Chicago West wavutse muri Mutarama mu 2018. Uvutse kuba mu watwitiye ni umuhungu Se West uvutse mu Kuza mu 2015. Muri Mutarama mu 2019 Kim Kardashian yatangaje ko yibarutse undi muhungu wabo wa kane watwise nawe n'undi muntu.
And he was listening to it like, oh, it's crazy right here. Then they got to the chorus, and the chorus is like, ain't no love in the heart of the city. And he's like, oh, like doing his face like that. Then he's like, oh, play the next beat, play the next beat. I played another beat. Just listen to it like, yo, man, you a soulful dude. And everything that Hov is saying is like in stone. Like, I will never forget none of these words because I'm off the train. I'm from Chicago. I got $10 in my pocket right now. And I'm just having the opportunity to play these beats. So,
Vandross, you gon' take your pants off. I'ma play this Gladys night. Me and you gon' get right.
Ubwo Kanye West yavaga mu ishuri mu 1996, mama yararakaye cyane ariko nyuma biza gucamo ari umunyamuziki. Nyina yahise avuga ko atari buri wese ugomba guca mu burezi ngo yigaragaze. Nyuma nanone hafi yo gupfusha nyina mu 2002 Kanye West yakoze indirimbo ye ya mbere Float the Wire. Mu 2004 Kanye West yatsinzwe na Graydon Wilson abura igihembo cya Best New Artist muri America Music Awards. Avuga ko atazagaruka mu itangwa ry'ibihembo by'umuziki na rimwe, ariko nyuma za gusaba imbabazi kubera imyitwarire mibi. Kanye West ni umwe muri bake bo mu myidagaduro bashoboye kugaragara mu gifuniko cover cya Time Magazine yiswe mu bantu 100 ba mbere bazana impinduka b'umwaka muri magazine. Kanye West yahostinze concert Florichan Relief, ikiganiro cyaciye kuri televiziyo maze avuga mu nyandiko Bush does not care for black people, bisobanuye ngo Bush ntabwo yita kubirabura. Aya magambo arindwi yabaye incamake cyangwa se titire mu binyamakuru byinshi maze wari perezida wa Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika George Walker Bush avuga ko ari umwanya w'igisebo yagize mu miyoborere. Mu 2009 kuri MTV ubwo umuhanzi Taylor Swift yatangaga ijambo kuri Best Film Video Awards nk'uwagitwaye, Kanye West yasimbukiyemo hagati avuga ko Single Ladies ya Beyonce ari video y'ibihe byose. Iki gikorwa Kanye West yakoze cyavuzweho nabi cyane n'abahanzi nka Kelly Clarkson yewe na Perezida Obama yamwaje imyitwarire ya Kanye West. Nyuma Kanye West ubwe yahamagaye Taylor Swift amusaba imbabazi. Kanye West yaninje mu bya politike. Amatora ashize ku mwanya w'umukuru w'igihugu ntibyakunze ko yiyamamaza mu matora n'ubundi y'umukuru w'igihugu wa Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika ateganyijwe vuba. Kanye West akomeje gushiraho amafaranga menshi ngo arebe ko noneho yakwiyamamaza. Wakoze gukura iki kiganiro n'isi n'abantu, nyemere cyane tugisoreza ahubwo tuzasubira ubutakundi munyabwi cyangwa se cyamamare. Icyo gusabwa no kudukurikira umunsi kundi ukanda subscribe. Reka nkubwire ngo naho utaha uri inshuti yacu. Ye ni Isaka HB. Imana ishobora byose ihaza ukwifuza kwawe kandi ugire ubugingo buzima.